where the traffic always backs up in this city. You don't really think of traffic when you think of Montana, but if there is a place of traffic in any city in Montana, this section of Reserve Street is it. Every day and worse at rush hour. Thinking about it, screw it, find a way around. But I think I'd have to go so far as to find a bridge. There's a creek or something we gotta pass over. I'll probably look at a map later and go, oh shit, I should have just went right and bypassed all this shit. Burning up in this traffic. It is damn hot out here. Kind of reminds me of being back in Bali, which is nice, but without the humidity. Now we're almost through it. By the way, this is the Clark Fork River. Yeah, see, I knew if I would have went right back there, we'd have to get over this river somehow. So may as well keep going straight, because I don't know how far north I would have had to gone to cross it. Although, shit, we probably would have been there already. Here we are entering probably the biggest business district in Missoula. This isn't the downtown, but this is where you do all your bulk shopping and shit like that. I mean, you got your Target, that you kind of want to shoot at, and you got your you know, Best Buy and Costco and shit like that. We're gonna actually take a stroll through these parking lots because I gotta change the GoPro battery and I need a vape pretty bad. That was a lot of traffic in the heat. Here you are, welcome to your tour of Missoula. Well, I don't know where the battery died on me back there, so just in case, I better tell you we are in the business district of Missoula. Well, actually not downtown, but the bulk commerce area, you could say. You got your Target, you got your Best Buy down there, which I'm gonna stop at, and every other store, Costco and Ross and all that kind of shit. The consumer part of the city. So let's ride on to Best Buy at least. Don't need a helmet for a while. How are we doing on gas? Oh, we're doing great. All right, let's go explore. And here you have it, your Best Buy, which is having some kind of COVID tent or some bullshit. But I do need to make a stop here, so it is what it is, I guess. Well, that was a total fail. You can't even get in the store except for appointment only. You know, this new normal shit, it can't be. You all have to fight against it because this is not living. This is pure tyranny. Absolute bullshit. So we ride on, and we forget about the bad, and we enjoy the beauty of the ride, the freedom of the ride. I'll show you more of Missoula. Maybe we'll hit the airport next. So here's the Barnes & Noble, for those of you that still read. Well, I mean, an actual book anyway, besides just on a screen. We got to get back out into this traffic again, but it should be easy enough. F Street. I guess it would help to turn my signal on. And here we are to Broadway, which takes us down to the airport. Welcome, friends, to MSO Missoula International Airport, Missoula, Montana. Now, this is the first stop in my journey. Well, the starting point of my journey when I head over to the other hemisphere. It all begins here. Tiny airport, but you can get 737s and A320s in and out of here easily. Oh hell, you can get Air Force One in and out of here. It's got a full-size runway. There goes a Q400 right now, Alaska. That'll be headed for Seattle, where they base all those Q400s, except for a few at PDX. All right, there's a museum to the right, but we're running low on time today. So I hope you enjoyed your little loop of MSO. All right. Time to head back into town and grab some gas so we can make the big trek home.